The following you're about to watch is fiction and this cannot happen in real life. Do not cause mass panic with this.
Emergency action notification. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Recently, reports of giant knives have been falling from the sky in every state including Alaska and Hawaii. These knives are about the size of basketballs and are causing thousands of deaths. Blood has been reported on pretty much every single road where people walked on due to getting hit by knives. All residents are advised to move to the lowest floor of your house and get in a room with no windows if possible. Do not go outside for any reason. If you do, you will face death. Emergency action termination. All clear. I repeat, all clear. The knives have stopped falling from the sky. Note there's tons of dead bodies, blood, and knives on the roads. You are still advised to stay inside until it's safe to go outside. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency.